Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the new iPad Pro Smart Keyboard for the 9.7-inch iPad Pro. Here is the box. You can see this is for the 9.7-inch version of the iPad Pro. And now we're going to remove the plastic. And lift up on the box to reveal the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard. Here it is. You get a little information packet with a quick start guide and some regulatory information with the designed in Apple, California, of course. You can just lift up on the Smart Keyboard, and it's wrapped in a plastic right now just to protect it. So we will remove the plastic. And here it is. Out of the box, it looks very similar to previous iPad Smart covers. It has this tri-layer fold design, a magnetic hinge to connect to the iPad, and we have this microfiber lined cover to protect the screen of the iPad. One thing that's new is we now have 3 little connectors here. That's so that this iPad Pro Smart Keyboard can connect to the iPad Pro without needing a Bluetooth connection, and it draws power directly from the iPad, so you don't need to charge the keyboard. To open the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, you simply pull this and a full keyboard is revealed underneath with a piece of protective paper. So now I'm going to connect my iPad Pro to the Smart Keyboard. It works just like an iPad Smart cover. It connects magnetically, and then it also connects magnetically to the keyboard. So here is the iPad Pro with the Smart Keyboard. This is the 9.7-inch once again, and it really looks great. I have the gold iPad Pro, and it looks great with this gray keyboard. The keyboard is all fabric, meaning that spills or anything won't really destroy the keyboard. It's very durable because of the fabric enclosure. Overall, the keys feel very nice. They really pop back up, although it has a lower profile keys than you might be used to, unless maybe you have the new Retina MacBook. So I think this is really nice. When it's closed, it has a little bit of a bump, but it really doesn't add that much weight to the iPad Pro, and of course you can just disconnect it so easily if you want more portability. It weighs just a little bit more, so it's not too bad. Overall, I think this is a great accessory for the iPad Pro, along with the Apple Pencil. It makes for a really just complete iPad experience, and it really allows you to replace your laptop with an iPad if you wanted to. So let me know what you think about this iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, and please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.